Good morning, Dominica. Good morning to all the listeners in Radio Land. Good morning to the listeners on Q95 and our social media pages. Welcome to another episode of the Cooperative Voice. My name is Lelia Samuel, and this morning I have a special guest with me who is going to be talking about some fun things, some Christmas things for Mlaja. So we just ask our listeners to stay tuned while we take a commercial break.
L'argent, send me money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. M l'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. M l'argent, it's safe and secure. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M l'argent. It's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, M l'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M l'argent. Download the M l'argent app today. See your credit union for more details. M l'argent, your mobile payment solution. M l'argent.
Good morning and thank you for sticking with us. This morning we have a role reversal. I am hosting the show and Mr. Belfield is going to be my guest this morning. So as I said, my name is Lilia Samuel, Marketing Officer for Mlaja, and I have with us this morning our CEO for Mlaja, Mr. Phoenix Belfield. Mr. Belfield, how are you this morning?
I'm doing pretty good for a young man. How yourself?
I am doing fabulous. I am doing fabulous because I know we have some specials for Mlaja this morning. So we just want to focus this morning.
It's good to be sitting on this side of the bench for a change.
I love it. Role reversal. So we're just going to focus on a few upgrades that were done in the Mlaja app. You know, we want to let our users and our listeners know that we are working behind the scenes. We are taking all your comments and feedback into consideration. So we just want to let the users and listeners know of what is going on in the Mlaja app. So Mr. Belfield, talk to us about the customer support feature now in the app.
Okay, but before we get into customer support feature, I just want to thank the radio listeners of Q95, our partners, thank the listeners, the support of the league and the credit union movement, because this is the credit union app. And we really want to thank them for the support. Q95 has been with us every Tuesday, hunkering down and getting the message out there to our users. So we want to reiterate our gratitude to them and also to the radio listeners of Q95, those in the diaspora and also those residing here in Dominica. You would have noticed we've been sending out some broadcast messages about some upgrades to the application because, as we continue to say, we're building an ecosystem here. It's not just another technology application. It's not just another thing to take up space in your phone, although it is one of the lightest app in your phone. It's under 10 megs. And I think it's even lighter than Facebook Lite.
Yes.
So we're really excited about the Mlaja project and what it's doing for the movement and for the users of the wallet, those who have already downloaded and those who are getting excited about downloading. We are really happy about it. One of the things that we continue to do for the application is to evolve the application. We're not in the finished state yet. We are constantly doing developments and upgrading some of the features. And you would have received some notification over the last couple of weeks that we're upgrading the application. So we've included a couple of things that we're going to speak about. And so the first thing that you mentioned was the customer support feature. So now, we're probably the only application or financial services provider that a user can reach us in many forms. They can reach us in TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on our YouTube streams.
I can attest to that. You are correct.
And on WhatsApp and via email. So anyhow you want to reach a company, you can reach us. And we're there and taking comments. So what we've done, there's a customer support features that we've put a link inside of the application. So once you click on that menu option, which is on the left-hand side of the application, and there's a drop-down feature, you will see customer support. and we'll be putting out our DIY videos so that people can see how to use it. Now, all you simply do is click on customer support, and you can type anything. You lost your PIN, you want help upgrading, you want to know where you can top up, you want to know how you can refer somebody, anything, any issue that you're having, you can put in that information, and that goes directly to our customer support line, where our folks can attend to you in real time and in rapid time. And people have been messaging us and saying, "Oh, they're quick, they're very quick." And this is part of the excellence of MLAJA. We want to bring a new level of financial services provision. We want to bring a new level of service to the population, and not only to Dominica but to the OECS. Very soon we'll be announcing our expansion efforts and where next we're going. So we're going places. I mean, people have tried to box us in and define MLAJA's scope. Okay, you're this little mobile wallet that you're supposed to be tucked away somewhere in La Plaine. And we as a movement, we've never been boxed in, because we're not, credit unions is not what we do, it's who we are. And that is why we've enjoyed the support of 80,000+ members who continue to open accounts with credit unions, who continue to get financial services from the credit unions. Last week program, Mrs. Nation was there, and you spoke about the Christmas special from West Coast, and soon in the next program we'll be announcing Christmas specials from St. Mary's and Central and NCCU and Grand Bay and Marigot Credit Union. So you're going to hear from the credit union, our affiliate services coordinator, about what's happening with the other credit unions and what's happening for Christmas. What are the special deals? So the members can the users can simply go on the application on the left side of the menu option, and they can click on customer support. They can ask for surveys. They can make suggestion. Hey, if you have a brilliant suggestion, you're like, okay, MLAJA, I love your app, but I think that the red is too much at a right angle and I need it perpendicular. Listen, no suggestion is going to be discarded. We want to hear you, because the intention of the wallet program is to ensure that we produce not only a financially inclusive and accessible digital marketplace for the users to interact, but we also want to introduce a dynamic platform where users have the say in how this thing is interacting with their everyday life. So it's not a static application. We're continuously evolving.
Okay, great. So you mean to tell me any questions, any concern a user have, they can simply go into the app and send us a message, and it will be responded to.
Correct. No loud outbursts nor obscene language.
We appreciate that as well. And also we have a second feature, second update in the app that we're excited to tell users about. So when we come back, Mr. Belfield will just let us know what is going on in the MLAJA. Stay with us.
Thank you.
L'argent, send me money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. L'argent, send me money. Receive money. L'argent, it's safe and secure. L'argent, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. L'argent, it's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, L'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. L'argent, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. L'argent, download the L'argent app today. See your credit union for more details. L'argent, your mobile payment solution. L'argent.
Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for staying with us. My name is Leila Samuel, and I am here speaking with our CEO, Mr. Phoenix Belfield, about upgrades to the MLAJA app and a few Christmas surprises as well. So, Mr. Belfield, let the users and the customers, our future customers, know about our recurring payments, our repayment option. I'm excited about this one because if you pay your bills for MLAJA, you should be excited about this one. So, talk to the users about that.
Right. Another one of the Another one of the upgrades to the app that we've
Mhm.
added over the last couple of days is the repayment option, which essentially allows persons to make recurrent payments without having to actually go into the app and make those payments constantly. And it not only relates to, a lot of people refer to it primarily when they're speaking about bill payments and utilities, but you may have a payment that some other companies, like for example, if you have FBI policy, family bereavement insurance policy with, let's say, COPEF, and you
Okay.
want to make a recurrent payment to COPEF
Mhm.
for the policy, let's say it's $30 a month or $20 a month, you can just set it up and put on the date, you put the 20th, and you put
Okay.
the amount, you put the merchant, and then you enter your PIN, and that is locked there until you remove it. So
Mhm.
every on every day, the 20th of every month at midnight, the payment is automatically made to the merchant. So you don't have to worry about getting constant messages. Hey, folks, it's on the 15th of the month. Pay that before you get cut off or what have you. You can set it to automatically pay. And even before, you don't need to wait until the 15th. You can pay your bills as soon as, let's say, you get your salary, or you put some money on your wallet. You can set it to pay like within the first week, just to be safe and secure. Yeah. And so
Okay.
you can put it on the first week, and it automatically goes. You get the confirmation that it went, and the payments are done in real time. So it takes away one from the user having to always remember to make
Mhm.
that payment.
Also, Mr. Belfield, a question: is there a fee associated with the repayment? Because normally, when you have repayment options, there is a fee charge. So the users want to know. I want to know, as a user of Mlaja, will I be paying a repayment fee?
Well, actually, somebody told me I deserve a callot in my head for not charging my users with payment. And our message, Lilia, is very simple.
Okay.
Uh, Mlaja is a business. We're in the business of providing financial services, inclusive financial services to the users.
Mhm.
Mlaja is going to make money. We're going to have a few fees and little things here and there. But our intention is not to rip off our customers. Our
Okay.
intention is to provide that services. And we believe that by providing quality service to the users will reward us by referrals. They reward us by doing more business on the app. They will reward us by using it in the everyday activity. And so for the repayment feature, we have not added to our price. We have not added a fee to it.
Okay.
We know that a lot of the other solutions out there available for you to use the repayment, you get charged $1 or what have you. We have
Yeah.
not charged. We've not assigned a charge to the repayment functionality. Again, in this live pilot mode that we're in, a lot of the fees have been waived because we're testing the market to see how the market reacts and so forth. I mean, the good thing about it, and I'm really happy about the support that we've been getting from the Dominica market, is that folks have been saying, hey, Belfield, listen, I know you're giving these services for free, but if you decide to charge us a little 50 cents, we wouldn't mind because we were paying $1.50 here, we're paying $2 there, we're paying there. So you're offering us superior service on the Mlaja app. So we don't mind paying. And this really heartens us because, the credit union movement, unlike for the other mainstream financial institutions, very few fees are incurred at the credit union. In fact, the
Yeah.
credit unions observe that fees, and that's why a lot of the persons have been going to credit union and taking out loans and taking out specials and all of that. People have been calling me and asking me, listen, I have my mortgage at this place and I have my account at this place. How can I switch to a credit union? Which one are you with? And I said, hey, I'm with all six
Yeah.
credit
With
unions.
all.
So, but yeah, so we're putting the solutions in the hands of the users, and so we're telling the users, listen, we recognize that these are hard economic times,
Yes.
and we recognize that money doesn't come by easy. And we're saying, listen, when we put the fees, the users will understand and they'll say, yes, we will pay those fees because we know that Mlaja is providing superior service. Because we know that freeness is not always the best. Because sometimes when you get things for free, you cannot. There's no reclaim to it. You can't tell me, hey, this service is not on par. Fix it. Hey, but you're getting it for free. You're under no obligation to fix it or to improve your service. But us at Mlaja, we are guided by the market demands. And so The repayment is a free function. Um, maybe next year or the year after we put a 10 cents on it. Who knows? Um, but for now, as we're live piloting, it's a free function, so users can set it, and then next day it is activated, and the payment automatically made from your wallet to the intended merchant. And so this is really to bring. This is where we speak about the convenience aspect of the application. As a young lady said to me, you just simply set it and forget it.
Yes. I
You
love
know,
that.
so
Simply
you
set it
set
and
the
forget.
date
That is so
and you
true.
forget it. Yeah,
Yes.
you set
So
it and
we're
forget
making
it.
it
So
as easy as possible for our users. And I like that because persons, especially bills like the Wasco, it's easier to just put it for a certain day, the first, the second, the third, whatever day you choose, you
yeah.
put it in and you forget it and your bill gets paid without
And
any
as
issue.
you're speaking
Mhm.
on the Wasco bill, we've
Mhm.
been seeing not only new persons signing up and paying the Wasco bill, we've been seeing a lot of recurring payments as well.
Yes. Yes.
And this is really good because people are realizing that, hey, the Wasco has gone digital. The Wasco is gone has gone another step,
Mhm.
and we're happy. This really builds on the relationship that the movement has had with the Wasco over a number of years, and that we continue to have even with this new dispensation. So folks are really getting excited about the option of paying their Wasco bill, and they don't have to stand in the line or go in the line or line up or anything. So we're
Exactly.
expecting that by next year, folks would probably just go to the Wasco when they need to sign up for the service, and that we can probably help the Wasco to make those sign-ups online. Just move the economy in a uh, totally digital era where the obligations of wasting your time on the line is left as optional. So you're not compelled. And this is where we're going to credit union. The next couple of days, we have completed the testing with one of the credit unions. We're going through the testing of 3 others this week. So in a couple of days, we would be announcing when we're going live with the credit union's direct integration. So you will be able to just simply add your credit union account directly to your wallet and make deposits to the wallet, and also make payments back to your credit union account and to the wallet. So all 6 credit unions you'll be able to be integrated with. So if you're a person that has multiple credit union accounts, you will be able to get your money from one credit union to a next without having to move and take a vehicle and go somewhere. So, for example, if you're a member of St. Mary's Credit Union, you also have membership at the West Coast, and you take off one of the Christmas special loan at St. Mary's, you can have that loan disbursed to your wallet, and then you can move it over to, let's say, your West Coast account to pay off a loan you took there, or to shop at merchants or something like that. So it makes it very, very, very seamless and very easy for the users to be able to move in funds to their wallet, and also intra credit union transfers, so they can move it from one credit union to the next credit union. And this really speaks to the dynamics of the mobile wallet platform.
Okay, great. Thank you, Mr. Belfield, and we will be right back with you guys.
L'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. M l'argent, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. M l'argent, it's safe and secure. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M l'argent. It's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, M l'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. M l'argent. You want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. No more M l'argent. Download the M l'argent app today. See your credit union for more details. M l'argent, your mobile payment solution. M l'argent.
Thank you for staying with us. We were speaking with Mr. Felix Belfield, our CEO of M Laja, and we go on to Christmas. But before we go on to Christmas, we just want to congratulate all our winners of our M Laja Black Friday Shop and Win promotions. Persons got the opportunity to shop and win some serious M Laja. So we had three winners. who won $300, $200, and $100 respectively. So we just want to congratulate our MLAJA winners, and we just let our persons know, stick with MLAJA, where you can win, you can earn, it is an amazing time to be an MLAJA user. So this morning, we just want to let all users know that we have our new Countdown to Christmas special, where users of the app and persons who would like to join the MLAJA family can download the app as well. Countdown to Christmas, where users get the opportunity to be rewarded for doing transactions. Simple as that. How does it work? So all you need to do is do any transactions within the app, and you get the opportunity to earn points. So somebody's saying points, yes, points, because those points can then be redeemed for digital cash. Okay, for Christmas, we're offering persons who have our new users who have downloaded the app and upgraded the app the opportunity to earn up to 400 points. So users who have gained 1,000 points will be able to redeem it for digital cash. So, Mr. Belfield, a good time to be a user of MLAJA, especially this Christmas. It seems that MLAJA is giving back for Thanksgiving, for Black Friday, and now for Christmas. So just speak to our users, encourage our users to use the app. How does the program work? It says, countdown to Christmas, get rewarded. How do you mean I can get rewarded for using the MLAJA app?
Well, one of the things that we looked at is in addition, somebody asked me, said, "Okay, you giving back, but all you've been doing is giving."
That is true.
Yeah, but we what we wanted to do is really, someone say we're disrupting the market, but we're not seeing it as disrupting the market. We're seeing it as handing back some value to the customers,
Yes.
providing them with the service that they need, an affordable service, a convenient service, an easy service, a secure service.
Yes.
One of the things that we wanted to achieve with this promotion is that we want to incentivize the customers to not only download the app, but in everything that they do, they get an opportunity to earn points. And
Mhm.
so, for example, when you download the app and you upgrade, you will get 400 points automatically. And when you do simple things like paying your bill, um, charging your when you charge your you do a mobile recharge, a top up, which we're going to be announcing soon. When
Okay.
you dine in at a restaurant, or you pay one of the merchants, you get to accumulate points. So you don't have to do anything extra to earn it. And to be able to see those points, you just simply go on your menu option and go on rewards, and you'll be able to see that. So one of the things that we've looked at in terms of how we can allow the customers to maximize these what do you call it, cashbacks
Okay.
on MLAJA is that we want to redefine what convenience is for the MLAJA customer. You remember the months ago when people have to be walking around with lots of cash and doing different things. Now all they can simply do, and folks are saying that, hey, we soon we wouldn't need ATM machines again, because everybody's all merchants become a potential ATM machine. Every user you can send, all you need to have is have your phone with you and have credit. And if you don't have credit and you have a credit union account, you can just simply move the money to your wallet from your credit union account. Or if you're nearby any one of our 30 something plus agents, you can also top up there as well. So and then soon you'll be able to apply for different things at the credit union from the app. So I'm not going to I'm not going to
Let the
let
cat
that
out of
kind
the
of,
bag. Not as yet.
yeah, all the time. So great things that are happening, and we apart from the convenience, the MLAJA has the advantage of the accessibility, the simplicity, on spot payment and speed. And then we're going to be offering during this month numerous deals in collaboration with our merchant partners. And so this is really going to help you. So just imagine you are paying your Dawasco bill, you're topping up your phone, you're going at the merchants, purchasing, you're going at a restaurant, you're paying for professional services, whether it's you're getting your hair cut, or nails done at one of the salons or something, any one of our merchant partners, you will be able to use the accumulation of those points. And then once it gets to the threshold, you will be able to redeem those points for cash, which you can now spend and do whatever you want. So it is very easy to do. And like you said, everything on the application is done automatically. So once you begin to spend, or once you begin to pay your bills, the points are calculated automatically, and you can follow your points simply by going on the side option of your sidebar option of the menu, and you can look on rewards. I think it's just below the balance, and then you can see. And when you click on rewards, you're going to see that nice little graphic, that nice little wheel to tell you how far you are from the target. And so a lot of persons have been asking us, hey, about the rewards program, what's happening? What's happening? How can we get some points? How can we get some cash back? How can we earn from the MLAJA experience? So this is definitely it. And in subsequent broadcast, we will be discussing how the users can fully maximize this potential, along with all of the other deals that we are going to be on offering. The 400 leg way that we're giving them is valid until December. So those who haven't downloaded the app, this is a good time to download the app
It's a
and
good time.
from the MLAJA experience. And even as we are there, Samuel,
Mhm.
one of the things that everybody have been talking about the simplicity and the use of the app and how easy it is to interact with the app. It's just simply scan, put in your PIN and pay. That's it. If you want to go at any one of the stores, and you can make your payments like that. We'll be adding a few other features will be unveiled during this. Well, not this month, during next month. Today's the last day of the month. So during the month of December, we'll be unveiling quite a few exciting features, as well as our integrations and some a very special project that we're working on that I'm so excited. I'm bursting into the seams to shout it out, because this is going to go to the roof. And we're excited about this whole project. I mean, we've been working on it for 3 years plus, and it really, every time we think about the journey that have come about, and we think about all of the persons who have been from the inception, our testers who have been around giving us comments and feedback, and to see some of those suggestions being rolled off now into production is really a fantastic experience. So, I had a very useful encounter with one of my directors, who asked me, "How can you say MLAJA in a couple of seconds?" And we wanted to ensure that the message of MLAJA, the convenience of it in terms of paying and sending and receiving money and paying bills, to really resonate with the people, because in the next year or two, you're probably going to forget about the cash that you have lying around. This is going to revolutionize the entire payment ecosystem, not only in Dominica, but within the entire OECS and the wider Caribbean. And so we're not building an application that is only going to be useful in Dominica. We're building a global movement. And just as how Facebook and those other popular apps and platforms were developing dormitories, we are building this from the bosoms of the credit union movement. So we're really excited about the opportunities that we've had. We've been speaking to even some of the church leaders, finding out how they can use the app to get their parishioners and their members to pay tithes and offering. So we're getting there. Bus drivers, you've not been forgotten. We're coming to you. We're targeting you very soon, because the folks, school is just now going to be reopened again, and it's going to be in full swing. And hopefully by that time, we a lot of persons have been vaccinated, and we can cope in a more meaningful way with this pandemic. So really exciting things happening at MLAJA. We're happy, of course, to have Lilia on our side
Yes.
to share the
And the rest
goodness.
of the team, the MLAJA team, who work
Right.
behind the scenes at
Yeah, we've been
all.
working hard. We've been working hard behind the scenes
Yes,
to
yes.
ensure that our users get superior service. So we're really happy. And again, none of this would have been possible without the support of our partners like Q95 Radio, that is there with us from the inception, bringing out the message on MLAJA. We're really excited about the opportunity to work with them, and also all the other radio stations that partner with us from time to time, and also the credit union movement, on whose behalf we continue to avail and advocate and speak of the many goodness, because the credit union is really one of the best kept secrets. And that is why we are putting things out there, letting them know that, hey, this needs to be out. We need to get it out, and we need to share the good stuff that's happening.
Thank you, Mr. Belfield. So you heard it here, folks. It is time to count down to Christmas. Get rewarded for your transactions. Can you believe that you're going to get paid for doing your everyday transactions, for paying your bills, for shopping at the supermarkets, for filling up at the pumps, for picking up your favorite snack, your lunch, your dinner? Simple, earn points, and you get paid once you have reached the threshold, which is 1,000 points, and then you can simply continue to purchase within the app. I'm excited because everybody has been asking me, what about the reward points? I, as a user, have been counting my points just to let the listeners know that this takes place from tomorrow, the 1st of December. This countdown to Christmas starts from tomorrow, 1st of December, and it will go on till the 31st of December. But it will not end at the end of December. We will continue.
Okay.
But this 400 point special will be ending at the end of December. I am disappointed because I need 400 points. But there will be many more opportunities for us as
Sorry,
users
sorry,
to get
sorry. Yeah. You
some
have to
more
plead the
points
fifth on this one.
and earn. I know, right?
One of the other things, Lilia, is that you know, Mnaja gives back when you use our platform, and this
Yes,
resonates with
yes.
the users, even with the credit unions. The credit unions are the only financial institution that compels you to save while you take a loan.
That
And
is
so
so.
we're keeping. So when you would have finished paying off your credit union loan, you would have not only finished paying, you would have accumulated a savings. So this keeps within the cooperative ethos of helping to build that level of thrift within the society. So we're really excited about it.
Yes, we are. And if you are not a user of Mlaja, we encourage you to download the app. So you can simply download the app by going into the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, search for Mlaja Wallet. You download the app, you put in your Dominican number, cell phone number, your 4-digit PIN, which is required for any financial transaction, and you are good to go. Once you have downloaded the app and you enter the app, Mr. Belfield, there are two stages to the app or two tiers to the app.
Yeah.
Can you just walk the users through that, please?
Yeah, quickly. Yes. And these are what we call KYC, or know your customers. And this,
Mhm.
we as a financial services provider must be compliant with the regulations that's set forth by the regulators, in this case the
Yeah.
FSU. And
Mhm.
so we have the two-tier structure, which is tier one, which we call bronze, and then we have tier two, which we call silver. So any user can download the application. You need not have a credit union account nor a bank account. All you need to do is come out from under a rock and have a smartphone, and you download the application. All right, you can download and you can top up. Now, once you do that, there's a limit there of the amount that you can transact in. Now, to upgrade from that limit, all you need to do is complete the KYC. So you simply go on the menu side, the left hand side of the application, and you go and update your accounts, and you enter your proof of ID, you enter your address, and you enter those information there. And then our compliance department reviews it. And once everything checks out, we you are upgraded at least within 24 to 72 hours. If for some reason your application is rejected, our department calls you and tells you, okay, listen, your picture's a little crooked, so we couldn't see it well. Could you resubmit or something like that? So you
Okay,
would
great.
get an idea. So it's not, you're not left alone in the wind.
Okay. And we just want to let the listeners know that for you to upgrade your ID, you need a government issued ID. So that could be your driver's license, your passport, or your new social security card that has the expiration dates. So you can use
Yes.
any of those three and get your information upgraded, and you will be good to go to a newer threshold. So you can purchase more, you can spend more. Okay.
One
If
other
was
thing, just before we head off, I would like to thank the many persons who have applied to work with the M. Lajan team. I mean, we have received, I'm not going to put a number out there, but we received an overwhelming number of applications.
yes, we
And
have.
it's exciting on our side that, a lot of the persons would want to come and work with us. It gives us really a good sense of pride that the prospect of working with M. Laja is an appealing and exciting endeavor. So we're thankful for all of the hundreds that have applied. And if you're not successful, this is not the end of the road. There'll be many more opportunities as we grow this global company. There'll be many opportunities to add some exciting talents. But one of the things that we were excited about is that we're, in addition to what the credit union have already employed in Dominica, M. Laja is creating employment for local Dominicans, and just the fact that we're able to hire people gives the board and management enormous excitement to be able to add another family to the credit union society. So this is really good. So thank you all for your interest. Those who are going to be shortlisted, we're excited of the prospects of having you on board, and thank you for sharing the good word.
Yes, thank you very much. Also, to the listeners, if you would like to contact M. Laja, you can contact us via WhatsApp at 612-3282. Or if you'd just like some more information, you can visit our website at www.mlaja.com. So Mlaja is MLAJAN.com. Or you can use the application and send us any message you want in the customer support section, and we will get back to you. We are thankful for everybody who has been part of the M. Laja project, who encourage us daily, who tell us we love it, keep it up, good stuff. So we just want to thank Mr. Belfield for being with us this morning, for being interviewed by me.
Thank you for hosting. I can't say I'm missing that seat. You're doing an incredible job.
Thank you very much.
Both yourself and Mrs. Nation. So I'm looking forward to retirement from the front seat.
And hopefully one of our new members of the team might be in the front seat.
Yes, absolutely.
So we're just thankful, and we're wishing everybody a good day. Stay safe. Remember, sanitize, wash your hands. If you can get vaccinated, please do. My name is Lilia Samuel, marketing for M. Laja. Have a great day. See you next time.
Laja, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. Send me money. No more hassle. M. Laja, send me money. Send me money. Receive money. Receive money. M. Laja, it's safe and secure. M. Laja, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M. Laja, it's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union Movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, M. Laja. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free. M. Laja, you want to send your money to friends and family. No more standing in line. M. Laja, download the M. Laja app today. See your credit union for more details. M. Laja, your mobile payment solution. M. Laja.